In this video, I'll show you how to place a video inside text using CapCut. Start by adding your video to the timeline. Then, move the video one layer up to create space underneath. Next, add a text layer above the video. Type your text, choose a bold font, and adjust the size and position so it sits right over the video. Now, enable the background on the text, scroll down to background, and turn it on. This makes the text shape solid, which is important for the next step. Now that your text is ready, drag it below the video layer on the timeline. Next, select your video, go to the Basic tab, and scroll down until you find the Blend section. Open the drop-down menu and choose Multiply. This will make the video show only inside the text area below it. To improve the look, you can scale down the video slightly so more of the motion appears within the letters. And that's it. You've successfully created a video in text effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative editing tutorials.